Let us see how fusion behaves as a wall follower. First of all, we will add an optical distance sensor pointing sideways. For the wall following function, we have reused the line follow function because that's pretty much the same in terms of the logic. We've renamed it wall follow, and we've changed the port to A2 because that's where our optical distance sensor is connected. We've changed the less than and the greater than or equal to signs. They've interchanged those because we need that for the wall follower. And because we don't get much light reflected from the wall, we've changed those to 40. If it was a higher value, it'd be jammed right up against the wall. The lower the value here we have, the further away it is from the wall. And we've changed the 50 to 40 to make it a bit gentler, and again to make it gentler we've increased the weight. And the result with those changes, when we have the wall following, can be seen in the following video. There is not much light being reflected from the blue surface, and so fusion is quite close to the wall when the wall follows. However, when it comes to the white area, there's a lot more light reflected, and so fusion will follow further away from the wall.